Alright, y'all. This video is just what do deer do when it's storming. Now, I know it doesn't look like it's raining that hard right now, but it literally just stopped pouring super hard. And these deer are just bundled up underneath these trees. Look at them. I mean, literally, as soon as I hit record, it stopped storming. I mean, pouring real hard. So if you ever wonder what do deer do when it's storming, they crouch down under the trees. That's it. That's all they do. I mean, literally, it was pouring cats and dogs a minute ago. And as soon as I hit record, it just stopped.